Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A73 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, the most important thing is the internet connection, so make sure that you've got one. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then let's enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update, and then tap on System Update, which is at the very top of this list. Give all the permissions it needs, and as you can see, our device is checking for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where the software is up to date. As you can see, you will receive this information, which means that you actually don't have to do anything. Everything is okay. The second scenario is when your device will show you the information that there is the update to download. Of course, it will show you the name of the update, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will have a toggle like download or install, and thanks to it you will be able to update your device or the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.